All right, turn that dude up to about 8. I started out on a gain of 4 on the red arc dial. All right, hit the brakes. Woo! That's all right, let off. I like it. Love it when a plan comes together. All right, I've got this guy cut to what I think will fit nice. We've got our guarding on, edging here. All right, buddy, I'm gonna go over there and work on some other stuff. I need you to get these guys, got your pilot holes drilled? Let's get these mounted up. Here's your drill, okay? Welcome back to Markham's Motors, everybody. We just had a successful kayak overland trailer trip. Share with you guys a few of the upgrades that we got with the trailer, some more things we're going to do with it. We had to add some chain because of the distance from the FJ. You notice we got a pretty long pigtail, but this gives us, with this moving in all directions, gives us a lot of extra articulation. The jack worked out well. I had to move this cable. It was over here. I had to move it over here because the jack head kept hitting it. This is kind of what we had envisioned. We've got the Track 1 ladder rack attached to this trailer via these clamps. They held up well. We rolled this thing down the road about 70 miles an hour. This is our 2-up kayak holder. This is our 11'6" kayak that I ride in. And so we have to haul it like this and put this one upside down. Everything pulls real good. It handles real well. We rigged up hauling the kayak handles right here with some tie wraps. I got a fix for that coming in the packages I'll share with y'all a little later. All the lights worked out well. Tires and wheels tracked real good. It was a successful kayaking trip. I'll try to share a link to Cam's video, but we have a few upgrades coming in the mail or Amazon or whatever, UPS. This is our Gazelle tent. I've got some mounts coming that I'm actually going to try to mount on the bottom side of this T-track, mount them here and get our tents up here. I also have a Gazelle gazebo I want to try to incorporate with this guy, get him off the floor, give us some more storage room down here. Right now these are 36-inch containers. I can get 3 of these in here with this here and the paddles. Anyway, we have a lot going on with this guy. I've got a new diamond plate front I want to put on it, and on the wheel wells to keep all this stuff from getting splashed by the FJ. Stick around, we're gonna get some more done. All right guys, I've got the brakes wired up, I think. This truck comes with a red arc system already installed on it. I've never been able to use it. I had the 7-way plug hooked up last weekend, but the little light, you know, usually shows that I've got a connection inside the truck, did not come on. So I got Leland up in the FJ and we're supposed to test this guy out. All right, Leland, ease on the brakes. All right, let off. I heard them and it stopped. Now I'm gonna button up all the wire and get everything secured underneath the trailer. Turn it down to about 6. I mean, this thing can slam on the brakes on 8, man. But depending on the load, it's gonna have on a little bit more this weekend. All right, hit that, just ease on it. All right, let off. Man, good job, buddy. Let's put it on put it back on 4. We've probably gotten 6 or 7 inches of rain in the last 2 days. We have a trip coming up this weekend to Turkey Bay. We're expecting to hit some puddles. One of the upgrades I wanted to do to this trailer is to protect our gear on this backside. Is some covers here, and I'm gonna put some also. This is what it looks like on the backside. That's how it comes. I'm gonna put a sheet here, from here all the way to here, to keep splashing inside on our stuff. Our gear. This thing is evolving. We ordered this metal from Cuts Metals. Non-affiliate. Not monetized. I don't get paid. But I'm just showing y'all where I got it. It also comes with this. I bought, this was probably, I think, an extra 50 bucks or so. It's an edging material. I'm going ahead and put my edging on before I screw this thing to this trailer. I'm kind of cutting around the frame. This stuff is sharp. I don't want the kids grabbing this edge, here. It's sharp. It's thin. It's a 1/32, I believe. It's just more decorative. I've seen some people using it in like shop bathrooms and some stuff like that, but I think it's gonna work real good here and be pretty rigid once we get it screwed, probably every, I don't know, maybe 5 inches or so. That's the project today. That's what we're working on. All right, I've got this guy cut to what I think will fit nice. We've got our guarding on, edging here. We're gonna start. Got this drill. I've never had a lot of luck. I bought these at local big box home store. Self-tapping, I think black, look nice. Got a 1/4 inch. I've never had any luck with these actually drilling the hole. I bought this bit to try to do some pre-drilling. I may try this a couple of times. We're gonna get this guy attached. This stuff's gonna form pretty good to the trailer. You see right here, you know, trailer's got welds and stuff, but it's just to block stuff from hitting our gear. I think it's going to be great and look aesthetically better than what it does right now. Just for giggles, I'll try one, see if it works. May save us some time. Not bad, not bad at all. Okay, we got this done, buttoned up, feels good, looks good, 100% effective. We have moved on to fender area. We're leaving this open for future improvements and visiting slide outs. It's coming together. We're gonna keep going at it. All right, guys, we have mounted both sides. I like the way it come out. It's gonna keep mud, water from getting in there on our gear. This stuff, if you order it, make sure you order this edging. It'll slice you open. Got both sides done. We're good. Now I gotta make some adjustments to these kayak racks. I had to move these in versus the truck they were on. So now we're adjusting. And I'm glad I did. I had a couple of bolts break and going to replace those. Kind of adjust this over some to give us more room. It was kind of difficult. This other kayak was hitting this one. Buttoning that up. Thinking about mounting these guys right here for our paddle carriers. We had them inside here, it's tie wrapped. But I want to leave this open. This is going to be something in the future. So I was thinking about mounting these in here. And I think I'm gonna move out here. I think them paddles ride. It's gonna look, bought these off of Amazon. They were affordable, a lot more affordable than the other stuff I'd found. Just spread these out as much as I can. And then we'll have another one here, maybe offset just a little bit, so you gotta fight these latches, and I could bring it in closer too, as long as it don't hit this. We'll have 2 paddles over here and 2 over there. Okay, we've got these bolts replaced. Had to move this over. It was causing too much trouble trying to get this guy loaded. We were hitting these kayaks. I don't have any more of these. This rack is older. It's hard to source parts for this T-rack, this track one system. These are $25 a piece at E-Trailer. So moving this over, I think I can still come over here and grab this guy, but I've been in the past using this, and that's not working good because it pulls up on this. So I devised a plan to come in here. I drilled a couple of holes, sourced this guy at a local big box hardware store. He's gonna mount here, and that's what our strap will hit. Got this one put in over here. Give us something more solid, rigid to pull against versus this little bar. This ain't made to pull against. Alright, Leland got our other mounts on. Looking good. Brownie's giving us a hand. Nothing like having cat hair all over your gazelle bag that won't never come out, but it's okay. I think this is gonna ride good. These guys are solid. The whole trailer's moving. The only concern, this is trial and error. We'll figure it out. But I like having them not in here so I can still put stuff in here. That our boxes are gonna line down through here and coolers. So we don't need paddles inside the trailer. And they're too long, not long enough to be able to mount to this. Plus, I'm gonna mount a fishing pole carrier on the side of this thing, or the inside of it. We want our gazelle tent here eventually off the floor, give us more room in the trailer. My mounts didn't come in for that. All right, guys, we have completed this chapter of the Kayak Overland Trailer Build. These young fellows right here have been instrumental today in getting this thing ready and packed up. We're fixing to head out on another trip. Markham Life will have that, and Little Fella Adventures. We've got another Markham here that's going to be helping us out. We're going to show you what we got. This is how we ended up. No straps. We're going to do some strapping. We got a little bit of bungeeing. We've got this done. We have the shovel mounted, ready to go. Kayaks are good to go. Packs, camping gear, good to go. We are excited to get this thing on the road. The FJ is sitting just right. We're gonna strap these boxes down, get the cooler packed up in the morning first thing. We're gonna head overlanding. Y'all gonna get to see what this thing does off-road. No mud splashing here. The gazelle is there for now. Soon it's gonna be here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. More to come. Crazy yams.